was a sergeant who led the mutiny after the Spanish authorities were subjected to launch an attack targeting Spanish officers at sight and seize the arsenal. So siya daw yung pinaka-head ng Cavite Mutiny. Sino siya? So for this one po, ang pinaka-head nung uprising po ay si Sergeant Lamadrid. So Sergeant Lamadrid headed the Cavite Mutiny. So ang nangyari during the Cavite Mutiny is, yun nga, in the Cavite Arsenal po, kung sino yung mga nakita nilang Spanish officers that time is tinarget nila. Hindi sila naging successful because at the end of the day, na-overpower pa rin sila ng mga Spanish soldiers.